As usual, TechGen has been providing all the latest trends on AI, artificial intelligence, and the latest trends on AI itself. I'm not going to stop there. I committed myself in this year of 2024 to help as many people as I could. And I'm here to share with you my expertise in starting a startup. What's a starting a startup? Starting a startup is really basically getting started to get yourself unchained from the chain of 9 to 5. That's what I mean of starting a startup. What it means, in other words, basically, you want to take charge of your own decisions. The whole world around you responds very accurately based on your own decision, what you decide you want to do about your situations. So startups, it comes in different forms and shapes, and everybody is running a different race in startups. And if you're definitely an experienced businessman or businesswoman, you can watch this video. It might benefit you a point or two, but at the end of the day, we'd love to hear from you and your contributions on starting a startup. So basically, you would be thinking like, okay, I'm thinking of starting a business. What sort of business should I be starting? To begin with, basically, we have to start with something called conceptualizations. Conceptualizations is basically experiencing or going through around your head what exactly you're good at, what you can perfect, what do you think that you can sell faster, what do you think that you invest a little amount of money can yield you or could break you even in a year or two to come, could unchain you from a run race of a 9 to 5 business, or at the same time, if you're a type of a scary person, so you don't want to take that risk without losing your weekly or your monthly incomes. The best way we call it in the hustler world, yeah, like you call it a side hustle. A side hustle is what? It's something you do alongside with what you exactly doing right now. Let's say if you're working for a company, you're a secretary or you're an admin or you're a financial controller, whatever you are. You have like your 9 to 5, and then you have like from between your 6 by the time you get home, so you look after the kids and see the missus and see all the normal errands within the house. And then you have that time, instead of you gonna watch, like you're gonna stream like Netflix, or you're gonna watch YouTube, or you're gonna play with PlayStation with the kids, try to dedicate a very significant amounts of time, let's say around 2 to 3 hours, just basically investing on your that side hustle. Side hustle, it may pay back at some points, but not immediately. But anything that with consistent approach would definitely pay back in some forms or the other. So at the end of the day, the decision is yours. If you have something that keep you going for the next 6 months without needing 9 to 5 jobs, I'll say, I'll take the side hustle in the full time. Yeah, I mean, you see it, you saw it everywhere, and I know it, and I experienced that myself because once upon a time I used to do a side hustle before I get involved in a full-time business myself personally. So yeah, it definitely it paved the way for you forward in order to get yourself into the next phase of the run race. Like I said earlier, we all run a different race, and everybody choose which race do you want to run. So the choice is yours. On the next topics, I'll definitely be exploring the conceptualization of the actual business that you could start. I have few that I can identify for you, and I'll share with you in the next video to come. Just stay with us and stay tuned. Keep checking the channel, subscribe to our channels, and I'll definitely be broadcasting more videos in the next few days to come. And look forward to your contributions and your feedback and your comments on our video. And let's help each other and then see what we can do. And at the end of the day, all we need is a freedom to unchain yourself from your 9 to 5 race and get yourself into some kind of starting your startups. And hopefully, the road is not going to be a soft ride. It's going to be bumpy. I assure you this. It's definitely not a joke. But yeah, I mean, it needs a kind of firm decision from your side in order to move forward. And everything has a momentum. So once you develop the momentums, we'll start getting the gear and the right gear, shift from gear 1, gear 2, gear 3, and gear 4. And voila, you can definitely, you'll get there. They said that a journey of 1,000 miles begin with one single step. And that single steps, that's what you need to focus on. and definitely pinpoint it. What is it that you want to step on, and where do you want to start from? And the rest will happen automatically. It's not like a magic. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.